and we're seeking 250,000 USD in exchange of convertible notes capped at 14 crores and discounted at 20%. So who are we? We are essentially travel planners, but these itineraries are completely made by locals. And how does it work? Let me start off with an example with you. If you're planning a trip somewhere, what would you do? You'd land up on Scout My Trip. Using our technology, you plan your entire journey, your trip on your own. It's completely free, but this allows us to acquire a user. It's a freemium product. But if you're not very happy with the plan and if you want some more guidance, here is when things get interesting. You hire a local, a scout, who then starts talking to you through mobile. And he then talks to you, figures out your itinerary, and gives you something on the platter. Still doesn't stop here. This itinerary is then shared with travel agents who then bid for your business. They bid for your business, and the Scout My Trip team selects the best ones and then does all the booking for you, and you make one single payment for everything. The way we have done this is when you hire a scout, we earn 40% commission on that. For every bookings that we do, there's a 15% commission that we earn. The entire planner on the platform is also sold as a platform as a service, and we're in talks with certain travel players to implement that. So far, you're not the only one who's planning trips like this. There are 35,000 users on the platform. 1,500 trips like these get planned on our website every month. 300 of them are fulfilled by scouts who are paying customers. 150 of them are also doing the fulfillment and bookings through us. There are 150 scouts all over India, Nepal and Bhutan who help customers, and there are 300 travel agents registered in these 3 countries right now. 3 of us, in fact Deepak is here with me, come from various backgrounds. I've been a startup guy. My previous venture was Indie Blogger. Deepak and Neeraj together bring on strategy and technology, but the one thing that holds us together is the love of traveling. Done 1 million kilometers on road, and we're very proud of it. The competitive space is very exciting, but there are key differences here. The first one is that the scouts are all online. They never meet the customer, making it very scalable. They can service 10 to 15 customers at the same time without skipping a beat. Second, the technology, the platform that powers all this, the planner, the mobile technology, everything is through our technology platform, which makes us really understand the customer better and service more customer by really understanding the scout information as well. And finally, this is the competitive space. It's getting a lot of excitement. In fact, a recent one being Flynote. Like I mentioned, 250K in convertible notes. We want to use this for expansion into new market by studying Indonesia to begin with. In fact, we were part of the accelerator program there. But this money is going to grow us 5x from where we are right now. Thank you.
So firstly, congratulations on a very well articulated ask. That you're very clear on what you want.
Thank you.
And what did you say your current sales numbers are at?
Monthly, we do 20 to 25 lakhs in sales, out of which our profit right now is in the range of 15%.
Why do you need money then?
Because we are burning money right now. We need money. It's a very competitive
When
space.
will you break even?
Sir, with this,
Competitive, you said it is an interesting competitive landscape. I got interested in the other competition.
so we need the ask to grow.
Okay.
It's a competitive space. What we're doing is very unique. It needs customer education as well. So for which, if we have to be in competition, we need to spend a lot on marketing.
What will you spend on?
50% would go towards marketing, 40% towards technology, 10% towards operations, and studying other markets.
When do you start making money?
We start, after this ask, we start making money in the second year. Our first year will be in the loss.
So I need to give you money to make money. Okay. What are you doing in Indonesia? I heard some Indonesia.
So we were part of a travel tourism accelerator in Indonesia.
Which accelerator?
Digitaraya.
Okay.
And we are in talks to have a partner on board in Indonesia to service the Southeast Asian markets. The technology remains the same, the operational setup remains the same, but we start building the scout network in those countries.
Have you been to Indonesia?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You have quite a few people from there in the room. You should interact with them.
Yes.
Any interest from investors, questions?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very crudely put, you're a digital travel agent.
Yes, but the plans are made by scouts. Yes.
That side, any questions, queries?
The GMV is $600,000.
That's the total sales that we've done from. Yes.
And they're asking for a convertible, so they're not.
So we are open to a valuation round if you're looking at it right. But we can discuss.
Sure.
Okay, I don't see any interest on this platform. We'll continue working with you over the next 90 days. Thank you. It was
Thank you.
the best video and presentation I've seen so far.
Yeah.
Thank you. Well done.
Congratulations.
Hi, so we just made our pitch in front of the investor panel. Very excited to get their feedback, the questions. I think it was a great experience. We are actually even talking to potential customers, if not investors. Definitely a great learning experience and would recommend it to other startups as well. Thank you.